Hey, good morning guys, Whitinger here. So today we actually have a pretty large job to do. We're about to do a small little detached garage, about a 3,000 square foot house, and then all the concrete surrounding that house, and possibly a driveway cleaning. They're getting ready to have this house put up for sale, so they were basically getting it cleaned up, and we should be doing their roof wash here in the next couple weeks, but they wanted to get all this done first. I'll show you guys what we're about to do. So this is the detached garage. We're gonna do a soft wash on the whole thing, top to bottom, and then let's get over here, soft wash the whole house, concrete work, little porch in the back, sidewalk over here, and then we're gonna do the windows as well, but we're gonna talk to him here in a minute. But yeah, we're about to get started. All right, so we're about to start here by putting the post treatment down on this driveway. Going all the way back here and doing all the sidewalks, and then we're going to be doing those little tiles in that little tiny porch in the back over there. So, but not a lot of surf or groundwork. So, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and just pre-treat the front sidewalk too, and then just come back, knock it out with the surface cleaner, and then work on the house washing. All right, guys. So we've had this pre-treatment sitting on here for about 15 minutes. So a lot of that algae and everything's already dead. And while we were waiting for that, we went ahead and washed this building. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get all the flat work done and then go around and do the house wash. But we're about to start doing our surface cleaner right now. right, so we just finished up rinsing. Now we're gonna put a post treatment of our chem on the driveway and all the sidewalks. That's just gonna basically soak in there, brighten everything up, and then kill the rest of everything. So it's gonna look super bright when we're done. You already can tell the major differences from the surface cleaner. We already rinsed all the plants down a few times too. Then we're gonna start the house wash. Now we got we only got one little area left to do on flat groundwork, but we're gonna do that when we get to the back behind the house, because we're gonna probably have to move our van. All right, guys, so we actually just wrapped up the house wash with all the extra garage. So we're actually just sold they have another detached, basically commercial shop in their backyard. So we're about to knock that one out. And after that, we're done. But yeah, basically this is what we're working with. We got this big building. We're gonna do the whole building around here. And then he was talking about maybe getting his dryer vent cleaned as well over here. So we've had a pretty busy day at this property. But yeah, they're getting ready to sell this place. So it's awesome. Thanks.